Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Since my last video, in the past 24 hours, the market moved sharply upward, gaining around 3.5%, climbing from the 110,000 area to well above 115,000. Over this same period, more than 184,000 market participants were affected by forced position closures, totaling roughly $633 million in value. Most of those came from positions that had anticipated a downward move. The spark for this move came after new statements clarified that the recently discussed tariffs were not as severe as initially expected. That reassurance echoed the tone we saw in previous similar announcements, calming the market and bringing renewed confidence. Let's examine the heat map data. On the one-day view, the upper pockets around 112,000, 113,000, and 114,000 were all cleared, with the market even moving through the 115.6 level, extending up to 116,000. Interestingly, new positioning pressure is forming below, around 110.9 thousand. Now the most concentrated level on this time frame. Switching to the 3-day view, only one clear target area remains, located near 116,000. On the 1-week map, the next key regions stand at 116 and 125.6 thousand, with the latter representing a potential revisit to new record levels. If you recall the movement from early October, the acceleration was nearly vertical, and this type of move can repeat faster than many expect. Looking at the 1-hour chart, the next visible horizontal levels appear at 116.4, 118.5, and 120,000. Beyond that, the path could lead back toward the 125,000 area and beyond. The next focal point will be the start of the week, as all eyes turn to how the exchange-traded funds react on Monday. For now, momentum remains steady, and the data continues to align with the larger upward structure observed over the past few sessions. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time market discussions. Thanks for leaving a comment, it helps a lot. Click the like button if you got value from this video, and subscribe with notifications turned on to stay updated. And see you in the next one.